If you're looking to build business credit the right way and also get financial tools that's perfect for business credit, you most definitely want to take a look at this video as I'm going to go into the new product that NAV has come out with. Yes, this is the new NAV Prime. You guys have been waiting patiently for this. And not only that, but I'm going to go into the new NAV Prime card and how this is going to be perfect if you're looking to build business credit. So if you're looking to build business credit again, fast and the right way, this is the video for you. Stay tuned, take notes. Let's get right into it. If you guys currently have the business loan builder or the business booth, all that is now NAV Prime. But not only that, it comes with a lot more. Let's go and check it out. So the first things first, as you guys can see here, first, you're going to be able to get the NAV Prime card, okay? So you're going to get credit for every single swipe. You're going to be able to turn everyday purchases into opportunities that can build business credit where repayments are reported as a monthly trade line. So not only that, but number one, you're going to get access to the only commercial credit building card with no credit check and no security deposit required. You're going to be able to leverage a new trade line reported every single month to maximize business credit building opportunities. Now, just so you know, the NAV Prime card is currently not available in California, Nevada, North Dakota, and South Dakota, okay? But you also going to get detailed credit reports as well. So you'll be able to track, build, and improve what matters to lenders the most, okay? So here's the deal. A lot of lenders, they're always talking about what they want to see, and they want to see, a lot of different things for business credit, okay? And they want to see certain things on your business credit report. Now, NAV Prime is going to be able to walk you through that process and actually give you exactly what they're looking for. So number one, you'll be able to benefit from the only place to provide access to 6 detailed business and personal credit reports. Number two, increase business credit scores up to 50% in the first 3 months with monthly trade line reporting. And number three, make confident decisions by staying up to date on public records and trade lines and credit utilization data and more, okay? So you guys can see right here in this photo, this is what it's going to look like when you guys have access, to those business credit bureaus as well, okay? And then number three, you'll have access to the new NAV business checking, okay? You can finally manage your money and improve funding eligibility. And so number one, you'll be able to easily organize your money with multiple accounts, cards, and transaction categorization, okay? Number two, you'll be able to spend, save, and send money domestically with no fees at all. And of course, number three, you'll be able to manage your cash and take financial action all in one place with insights that you can get from your bank, okay? And again, that's just a piece of what else you can get with nav.com. Here's the difference between NAV Prime Advantage and of course, the other stuff that's out there. So number one, with NAV Prime, you're going to get 3 business credit reports and 2 personal credit reports all in one place, okay? And if you look at the other market options that are out there, you're going to be end up paying hundreds of dollars per month to get all reports elsewhere. Number two, you're going to get trade line reporting. So the NAV Prime trade line is going to automatically be reported to all 3 major credit bureaus. And of course, not only that, but that NAV Prime card trade line data is going to automatically be sent to all 3 major credit bureaus as well, okay? Next is going to be the business checking account. No minimum balances, no opening deposits, no monthly account fees, and no domestic transaction fees. And last but not least is, again, don't forget that business prime card is that it comes with no credit checks, no security deposit, no trade line reporting data sent to all business credit bureaus, guys. So again, the new NAV Prime, I hope you guys are ready for this. This is going to be honestly a game changer. So again, if you guys are looking to go ahead and get the new NAV Prime or just simply learn more about it, I got the link in the description below. I also got it in the QR code here right at the top of the screen, so you guys can see it right up here. That's typically where it's at. And you guys can go ahead and learn more about it. You can sign up for it, get more information. But if you guys got questions about it, go ahead and put your questions inside the comments. Let us know your thoughts about it. But here, cheers to you and congratulations to your business success. But either way, guys, we'll see you all on the next video.